Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the ghosting in art mode on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, power cycle your TV by holding down the power button on your remote control to turn it off. Then unplug your TV from the power source for at least a couple of seconds. The longer the better. I recommend keeping it like this for about half a minute and then reconnecting it once again, and then power your TV on and see if this resolves your problem. And if not, we're gonna have to adjust some settings in the art mode. Now let's wait for the TV to launch, and then let's go to the sidebar, select art. Once the art mode launches, navigate all the way down to the very bottom of this menu until you find the art mode options. Now let's go to the sleep options, and here let's disable the night mode. Try disabling the night mode to prevent the TV from being overly bright in dark environments, which can also reduce ghosting effects. You can try to adjust sleep after on your TV to limit how long art mode displays on your device. So select a smaller value on this list, tap OK, and check if this helps you, as this should help you by reducing the working time basically of the display time of your TV, which should help it reload the page and not display ghost images on it. Also, go to the settings from the sidebar, go to all settings and try checking support. Go to software update. Select Update Now to check for available updates for your Samsung TV. Let your device check for available updates. It's gonna take some time, usually up to a minute. And if your device has any updates to it, then of course download and install them. Tap OK. And now if after the update your device still has this issue, go to Device Care. Yeah, it's located in the same support menu, and select Start Device Care and let your device basically take care of itself. Tap Done, and also go to Manage Storage in this menu and check if your storage isn't full. If it's full, then try to remove some applications from this list, or try clearing this cache. Once this list launches, I will show you how to do that. Give me a moment right now. Okay, and so in order to delete some application, you just have to select it, then select Delete in the top right corner of the screen. If you want to clear this application's cache, you have to View Details under this application's icon, and then either clear data or clear cache by selecting the respective option right here. Also, you can try self-diagnosis in Device Care menu by selecting the respective option at the very bottom of your screen and select Picture Test, which is the third option on the list. Press OK. And then answer this question. In my case, the picture is okay. And as a last resort, request support from Samsung and ask them to troubleshoot your issue, or maybe you're gonna have to send your device for repair to them. But basically these are all the troubleshooting steps that I wanted to provide you with in this video, and I really hope that it helps you. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.